Nicholas. Yan po ang ating first one. And now, ladies and gentlemen, mapapalad natin and welcome to all the people of Season 2! The balls up, time is on. Let's get on. Let's take some basketball. Very crazy number 16, basketball. Pinamagit ang laban na ito, masasaksiyan natin. Very possible, magandang bukas na sa kanyang kahalaga.
Depensa! Tuntukan!
Makita natin yung mga bawat pananay sa magkabila. Upo. Ito ang protection number 3. At ang pamilya sa Forest. And Posse. And Alapiga. Di Naxarin tumakoy wala na sa ating pambraso. At number 16 Alapiga. Leaders number 27. Posse. And shooting 2 points. Big dollars for chasing number 3. Yung pamangkanak na benefit no less. We have only a 9 for 27 today. It's a counted basket and one.
All down.
The foul chasing number 3 to pushing foul with one people. The one people for chasing number 3 at mapapalitin po sa ating kapipin-putin ng ating lola. Allows the foul people for competing for a three-pointer shot. Mga kaibigan, hindi po mga tulas sa tulas sa pagkakito. May isang limited po sa segundo nga po natin sa ating first quarter at nagkakalakan natin ang ibitang laban. Bigla sa party pick, nagpo for a three-point attempt mula sa outside lane. He's shooting 2 points. Wala sa import na nalakas, ikalala, ang gumagawa. Pero may nakita ng ating referee mula sa ating panggugulang o depensa. They call for foul. They call for out of bounds. Within 7 minutes in the 5 seconds today. With a score of 4-6 at a 2-point lead for the team of JBG. They allow to going for the big man. They jump for 2, shooting 2 points. May tumatanggap po sa aling yung ating offensive ng ating score. We all see set score. It brings in 25 seconds today. Hey, Jase, they call it for Alapiga. 40 seconds on the shot clock. The ball is from downtown and food for today points. Ang pagkawalting natin ang pagkawalting sa ating mga pawis family. Ang ganit na mga out-of-week cup season 3, out-of-week SSB, out-of-week cup. Kita po natin ang walang kupas-kupas. Pinakita po natin ang report for jump participation in the fourth position grade team of SXC Basketball.
Pato-pato yung katawan, ano? Boy, ano labon?
Dito sa mga sa 25 sa Asimiri. At 12 for foul. Pinapapasapit nga po na foul committee for foul ng jersey number 45.
Nice one, Coop. Nice one yun, brother. Nice one yun. Okay lang yun. Lower, mamaya. Yolo ba, malapak ka dyan ha, kung kinakala mo.
Dito po sa number 45. Their first free throw, Matthew.
Bro, tigilan mo.
First free throw foul sa ating foul. Last foul people. Last foul people, jumper sorry. Last foul ito, sana natin na sa ating dalawang na people na itong ating narapan. Dito sa number 14 sa Asimiri.
Nice one.
Irawati ka, pero may depensa mga kapasukas sa nakikita natin natin call for foul, jersey number 24, call for holding foul. First whistle foul, third team foul. First whistle and third team foul. Big Boys, okay, going from the top out number 7. Big Boston is on shot, 2 points. The 7 is a South Smith, throw it over. Dito, minuto. Igtase na ito yung saan. Inis na ito yung igtase. Mapakalibre. Pero ako buko na yung ginawa mo na sa buto. Ito ang score for igtase. The big man. Bang! Good for 2 points for igtase. There we have only 6 seconds and 40 seconds today. At ito, habang nito po yung big man and half of his sa mapalasok na mga na ito. This is 6 seconds and 40 seconds today. We have only 10 minutes on the shot clock. Di pa po pinakil. Meron po kayo na lang. Dililipat mo sa ating pwesto. Bounce pass. Doon ka lang sa alat ka. Number 34, call for foul. Holding foul. Ito po Petro. Send first of all and one of the entry for Kopi. 14 foul.
Dalawa ka na, tanganggaan naman.
Kailangan mo siya kanina yung...
Hindi ba? Hindi ba siya?
Makitig sa table,
Isa lang siya. Okay.
Alapit ka number 16. Shooting good for one.
Dax, uno ka. Sa pangalan ko rin. Okay lang.
Last ball kicker for jersey number 16. Shooting 2 points. Ilusok po natin, medyo dikit lang. Size natin sa Akise. Going for jersey number 0. Going for the weak side. Outside. 2 points.
Nakalag.
Babawa dagi, babawa. Oo nga eh. Kawin na kami eh.
Will Potter another 2 points. With 8 5 minutes and 57 to minute. At the top for 2, biglang pawin po na natin ito ka. Pagdating ng JBG. It's a shooting 2 points another. Little score. Isang po naman sa 17. Isang mitong pinaka ng mga Filipino na It's 14. At the top for 2, not good. Bumahanap ng Ijase. Binigyan mo sa teammate. Big way moment from downtown. Not the 50.
Stupid! Ay, mura eh, no?
Wala pa yun na. Baba.
It was 2 points. Diana Pass is shooting 2 points. We have only 8 seconds to the shot clock. At that's a point. Good pass. Another shooting 2 points. Release mo po natin 4-19. At the 7-14 sa napalaka natin pinatala. Because we got time. At not good for the team.
Apat niya. Wala sila. Grabe yun.
Dok, sinapak mo dyan ka!
With a personal foul for foul and a push foul. 1 free throw.
Lolo, sinapak mo? Dahil pa talaga!
Nice.
We go us. Complete for 3 points.
Wise up, Red. Wise up.
Penalty special call for foul against number 18 call for holding foul. First is a foul in participation. Eric Johnson, number 27. Ito mo na sa kusiyata yung mga sa ating putin versus not you. At program sila kayo ng South Smith.
Hindi naman nagpatatuo po.
With a score of 50-19, last foul free throw for adjustment. Incomplete, good for 1 point. And the score, 15-20. Mula sa pagkatuhan, football outside jumper, not good. Big plus, number 3. What a pass! Not good. Isa pa yung slam dunk ball. Big hits si number 7. Big hits 2 points. Big hits, 17 plus. Kick out to the wing side. Not good for 3.
Sige, go. Tatlo kayo. Dags, rest ni Dags. Dags, open dito lagi.
Grouping Suns on the shot clock. With 3 minutes and 55 seconds remaining. What a good number 17. Update.
Rest nila. Back
With
up.
this number 7.
Nice shot. Nice pass, Dags.
Ano ba sa at number 16, Big
Uli. Sap.
Big ball for
Ano ba na yun?
foul.
Sap.
Here's a great call for making contact with all of the 2 people. Set for zone foul.
Right.
Nice one,
nice one.
Wala sumabay. Big group for 1 point.
Dagi, lilalim ka ha.
Last foul people. Shooting 2 points.
Ilan ba score?
Basic shot at 95. 2 minuto na ito sa segundo pinakita ng Jose. Iniikot na ito yung bola for number 16. That is out for the 2 points. Back for 3. Not good. Pero naman pa rin natin pag-tingin sa JLG. We have only 2 minutes and 8 seconds remaining. At 8 seconds on the shot clock. It's 5 seconds to shoot. Meron pang 3 seconds sa shot clock. Huli na po. Shot clock violation. Di mapuputo ka lang ng mga minuto. The game time 2 minutes and 15 seconds remaining for the first quarter for half number 1. How's it over? Players! It's 1, 2, 3, 5 points! Lahat ng 14 points may Batang Torres. Alam na naman naman siyempre siya sa mga bench Torres. With only 1 minute and 15 seconds remaining. It's kakawin po sa mga kabilang not good. With only 1 minute and 45 seconds remaining. Number 10 plus! Sabay ng 7. What a very good. And the score of 17-30. Dikit na po makabangkangan na sa kapatuhan. Number 7, atake din. Mula sa mga at good.
Bingo, sa pinakita.
1 minute and 25 seconds remaining. Well, it is number 3 plus. Off and on. Look for a teammate. Binigay mo si Baka with the Kaka. Hindi mo natin kung hindi sa remaining. And Johnson!
Oh, pasok na ulit kay Jolo. Sa pinakita Jolo. Pasok na ako. Ay, sa bakas. Jolo.
With a 2 people, not E5. First is a foul in anticipation. We have only 1 minute and 15 seconds remaining.
Nice one, Jo.
And Johnson for the 31-37, shooting 1 point. Last foul people, jumpers ready. Last foul people from the middle back to set itong King Johnson. Habang ito lang ay pasok kung tumirada itong King Johnson. Isa pa ito sa King Johnson na. We have only 1 minute and 5 seconds remaining. We have only 1 minute and 8 seconds remaining.
Wag. Derby 1.
3 points!
Nice one! Takina, di nagagalaw, no? Kaso dalawa lang po.
We are in anticipation na po tayo po sir. Bete tayo po sa mga iso. Nabalakad po sa team. We will change number 27 kay Johnson for the first free throw. Ito ang beta. Ginakatagalitawan na sa 52 play. Number 27, good for one. Let's take a look at number 27 kung papasok pa ang kaya kung number 27. Number 27, abay sa kapatulinatan sa Injustice na magpasa.
Kirby, pag-upit hero mo.
With only 4 seconds remaining.
Nice one!
Nice one, Jacob.
They got the foul on jersey number 18, electronic penalty, first personal foul, second team foul, Monty Mayo. We have only 34 seconds remaining. Dito po sa free throw.
Papalit niya mga yun. Papalit niya mamaya. Dito, dito sa labas.
Last is one free throw. Mula sa tinasang pang free throw.
Lolo, kung alisan yung ano, Diyan ka lang, wala lagi,
Nice one, Nico.
Seconds na, boy! Huli! Huli!
They got number 27. They got the piece from Santa, not giving it. Boom! Stop!
Oh, box out na lang po.
We have only 14 seconds remaining.
Shot lang.
Wala po tayong shot clock. 10 seconds remaining. It's 6.8 seconds remaining. 6.8. 6 seconds. Ano sa punto na po sa rin natin itong tira?
Tira!
We have only 3 seconds left.
Tira, tira mo, Res.
And that's the time. Everlando Burns Water. Our run score of 21-36 score. Then, 26. Magandang natin natin sa